LG G3 announced G3 mini smartphone would be called as G3s. LG G3s user manual showed up recently. The G3s being detailed in the user manual carries model number D17V and is made for Vodafone. Unlike G3s, we had previously wrote about this that D722V doesn't have dual SIM capabilities. Similar to the 5.5-inch LG G3, the G3s runs Android 4.4 KitKat customized with LG latest interface and seem to comes with most of G3 software novelties, including the ability to take selfies using gestures. However, the feature of G3s are on the high-end side, reportedly including a 5-inch screen with 720 into 1280 pixels, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of expandable internal memory, quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 processor, and an 8MP rear camera. LG is expected to release G3 Mini, G3s in various markets around the world, including the US where AT&T should sell it. And in China, we call the headset as LG G3B. We still don't know exactly the new smartphone when will it be announced, but it should happen really soon. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe for my YouTube channel.